Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix chat error on Character AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Character AI users often encounter errors like chat error or fail to fetch. These are usually caused by server issues or connection problems or even session bugs. So in order to fix this, sometimes a simple refresh or swipe down on mobile fixes the issue. And also check your internet connection, so make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile networks. Another thing we can try is to click and hold down the application and click in the eye to get into app info. From here, scroll down, click into storage and clear the games or the characters AI cache here. You can try logging in and logging back out of your session and clear. So what this does is clear any temporary bugs. Now, if you got any extensions running in the background like VPNs and stuff that can mess around with Character AI, so I suggest disabling them while you're using Character AI. Another thing we can try is check the server status. So you can go to status.character.ai or forums like Reddit and see if there's any server outages. So sometimes if servers are down overloaded, the issue is likely on their end. And now if you're still facing issues, go ahead and reinstall Character AI. So yeah, just tap on the app and uninstall it, go to your Player App Store and re-download the app and then restart your phone.